Hi everyone, this is part 3 of my 3x3 CFOP tutorial. In this video, I will cover the simpler version of the advanced cross. I will soon make the video on the faster version. So as you know that in beginner's method, we directly make the cross on the yellow face. So then we insert it into the white face. But now you guys want to do it faster. So we directly make the cross on the yellow face. So I'll be honest, there's nothing much to teach in this. So in this video, I will show you 7 example crosses. One new thing I would like to teach you in this video is the 3-move insert. You will get to know that in my example solves. So let's get started. So guys, here's the first scramble on the screen. Keep in mind that whenever you're scrambling, the green face is facing the front and the white face is upwards. Okay, so this is the easier version of the advanced cross. It is not as fast as the harder version, but it is much faster than the beginner's cross. So first of all, I want to make this white orange edge. So you can see that this actually has to go here. So what do? I just move it here like this, and then I can move it here. So that will fix this edge, and now we're not touching it again. Now we have this edge, so this has to go here, but it cannot go like this because this white would be facing the red. So this is the 3-move insert I was talking about. So whenever you have the white sticker facing you and the other sticker facing the yellow face, then basically we insert it like this. You move it to the right or to the left, it can be both the ways, and then you do R prime F R if it's to the right, and if it's to the left, L F prime L prime. So basically I move this and fix it and move this edge back. Here right now we don't have any edge, but if there was an edge here, then it would have affected it. That's why we have to move this back up. Okay, now I'll do this one. So this one is very simple. You can just do it like this, and then we have to do this. So again, the 3-move insert, R prime F R. That will make the cross for this scramble. Here's the second scramble. So I'll work on this edge. This is the white green. I match it to the correct position, then insert it into the white face. Then again we have this edge. So this is the orange white, it has to go here. So we have the 3-move insert. So of course you can do it like this. Then you can see that these two edges are in the lower face. So now what do we do? So you can see, so these things you have to come on the spot. I can't really teach you guys. So you can just see that you move it like this, and that matches the edge. Now what we can do for this is we can take this edge out. So basically you move it up and then do a U-turn, and then you move this back in. So it goes like this. Now it's the base case and we can move it back. So that has made the cross for this scramble. Okay, so here's the third scramble. It's actually a very easy one. There's not much to do here. So this red white is already in the correct place. This blue can be put in like this, and this green can be put in like this. Then you move this to the correct position. So that will make the cross for this one. So here's the fourth scramble. So this is here. So of course we just do this. Then I'll work on this blue white. So you can use the 3-move insert here. So basically I just did this. Now this green comes here. I have to take this out, and I can see that this comes here. So get this back in. That's also the cross for this one. So guys, here is the 5th scramble. So this looks short, so I reduced it to 12 because it was very frustrating for me to scramble like 20 moves. So now I made it 12 moves, and it's going to be easier for you as well. Okay, so this goes in. Very simple. Now all 3 have come to the upper face. So of course we can just move this, then this, and then we can also move this, and that will make the cross. So here's the sixth scramble. This is like really easy because you can see that these two are already like this. So of course you have to always align the pieces after you have made the cross. Now you can work on this one. So move this and take this out. One more way I like to do it is by doing an F2, so that matches it, and then I can insert it and then I do an F2 again. But this is the easier version. So take it out, then move this, then put this back in. So that will make the cross. So this is the next scramble. Match this blue, put this in, match this, put this in. Then we have the 3 move insert again. Then for this, we can do an F2, and then we have the 3 move insert case, and that will make the cross. So guys, these are 2 solves. One I'm using the beginner method, and in the other I'm using the simpler version of the advanced cross. So I recommend that you guys practice the cross a lot, and soon you will improve your time for the cross. So guys, that was all for this video. In the next part, we will learn beginners F12. After that, you guys can learn the simpler version of C4, but that will make you much faster. I will soon make a video on advanced version of C4. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks everyone.